When and where in English can be questions, as in, when did they leave? Where did they go? Or explanations. I got those when I went on holiday, or the place where we used to go. In Gaelic, the questions and the explanations use totally separate phrases. The questions are Cuine and Càite. And remember that Càite takes the dependent form of the verb. Cuine chaisibh gan Spáin, but Càit and deachsibh suir lion. But the explanatory when and where are nuaire and faran. Far, like the question Càite, takes the dependent verb. Nuaire chunnach mí an carúr. But an garage for an fachga mí an carúr. Also watch out for before as a preposition or as a conjunction used with a verb. With a noun, before is ro bhíonn, before midnight. But the conjunction before is mus and takes a dependent verb. Mus deach sin gan taobh, before we went to the restaurant.